Hi guys, I am Zama from South Africa. So I wanted to give you guys my review about Forex for Beginners Academy. So I started these lessons about 2 months ago. I heard about Forex for Beginners Academy from this other group on Facebook. So I decided to search about it, then joined and started the lessons from lesson 1. So I was a trader before, but I didn't know much. So I was blowing my accounts like left and right. It was bad. So I wanted to learn. I wanted to start afresh. So when I joined this group, I was willing to learn. I wanted someone who can teach me everything about Forex. So Forex for Beginners Academy, I learned from the basics on like how to create a demo account. I learned about trend lines, I learned about Fibonacci, I learned about candle patterns, I learned about how to place stop loss, how to take profit, how to use other tools. I learned how to use TradingView, of which it's amazing. So I would really recommend people to try and get those lessons. I've already recommended some people, and these lessons are very helpful. I'm very grateful to Sad for this opportunity, for his free lessons on Forex for Beginners Academy. I am very grateful for his patience and for his time that he's given everyone by creating those videos, and also by giving us feedback on Facebook. There's a Facebook group for students from this academy where you can post your chats, and he can give you feedback if you're doing good or you're doing bad. Yeah, I was kind of doing bad at some point, but whenever I get a feedback, I would like to use it, and yeah, I'll be on point. So I really recommend that people join this academy and learn. There's a lot to learn. There's about 30 lessons that you will get from their website, and then you will just watch the videos and practice, and then you'll be good.